Alright guys, so we have a new card on the hot wallet, and this is the question for the day. What is meme coin? So what is meme coins? So we check out my last videos I've already done for the other cards. So if you're yet to get that, you can go straight to the channel and you're going to be seeing the video I've actually done for order. You can see completed and completed for the rest. So let's go into this. So for this particular one, which is actually the night card, right? So you click on it. So once you click on it, you're actually going to be watching this particular video. So in this video, we are told to find, so you can see from this side, we are told find the code. All right, so let me just show you. Find the code word from the video. Find the word that's crossed out, like the word that was crossed out, that was cancelled. So that is the code we are actually looking for this particular video. So all you need to do is to click on the video and watch. All right, so I'm going to click on it right now. So after you've go ahead to watch the video and you are back, so it's actually going to be showing in this format, and you're going to be saying submit the password, right? So we're actually going to be inputting the code. So if you actually watch the video, you are going to see there are different codes that was there, but there's this particular one that was crossed. So let's try the code out right now. So I'm going to be trying the code. So on this side, you come right, as I said, always do not copy and paste the code. Make sure you currently type it. So it's going to be, we are doing hype, right? So we are using H, capital H, Y, P, and E. So we are typing that. So let's submit and see if it's going to be our code, right? So just wait and let's see if this is going to be correct to be our code, because from this particular video, the crossed answer was actually hype, and I hope this is the answer. So let's just wait a little more and for it to load, so we can actually be sure that this is currently the code. So we are still loading and it's still taking time actually. So if this is not the code, there's another code. Okay, right, so we got the answer correctly. You can see we have the answer correctly right here. And for you to get more, I have the link at the description of this particular video and also at the comments, so you can join right there to join more people, thousands of community, and share updates, right? So see you in my next video.